So this one is a long question. The shells of crabs found around a particular coastal location in Japan seems mostly to resemble the legendary face of a samurai. Given below are the two explanations of this observed fact. Which of these strike you as a scientific explanation? 1. A tragic sea accident several centuries ago drowned a young samurai. As a tribute to his bravery, the nature thought its inscrutable ways immortalized his face by imprinting it on the crab shells in that area. The second one, after the sea tragedy, fishermen in that area, in a gesture of honor to their dead hero, let free any crab shells caught by them which accidentally had the shape resembling the face of a samurai. Consequently, the particular shape of the crab shell survived longer, and therefore in course of time the shape was genetically propagated. This is an example of evolution by artificial selection. So in this case, the part B is giving the best explanation, as nature is governed by the laws of physics. It doesn't give any kind of tribute to anyone, but coincidences can be possible.